ever guess what time it is? It's 3:20 in the morning. Opening day turkey season here in Connecticut, and we got to get up this early to beat the masses. One of our pro staff, Jay, is out there. He has been scouting his brains out and checking on birds, seeing where birds are active, and trying to get the rundown on them so we can hopefully have a successful opening day. And that is where we're going right now. So stay tuned. We'll see if Jay's work pays off. Hopefully it will. Dude.
Hey, these early starts are killers, man.
3:30 in the morning.
Yeah, we look like we're the only ones here, man.
That's a good thing, man.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Yeah,
baby.
Yeah, I mean, been chasing after these birds for a long time.
Well, you've certainly put your homework into them.
We've been on them the last 3-4 days study, and we pretty well, like you said, you got to focus. Know what we're doing, and they've been going off like clockwork. So hopefully today's the day.
I think this should be good. As long as it doesn't rain and this stays the way it is, we might have some success.
I think this is where we heard them, down in this valley.
All right.
Right down in here.
Okay.
Yeah. They're right over here.
Let's go. Jay,
Yo,
come here, man.
man, brother,
What do you think, baby?
redemption, dude,
Come here.
redemption.
Dude.
You know what I mean? Dude, how long? How long?
It's been a long time coming, brother.
Yeah, over a year.
Yeah.
But I mean this morning.
Oh,
Waiting
yeah.
on him, how long?
The rain. And you didn't think they were here.
And I didn't think they were here after
Hey, guess what?
babysitting them for how long?
Guess what, dude?
Oh, man.
He was here. And the only way he's leaving is on your back, baby.
I got to go say hello to that bird.
Go get him.
Oh, dude. We're talking cock and roost here. We're talking one fine bird.
He's a stud.
He is a stud. He is.
What do we got? What are we talking, dude? Oh, man.
I'm telling you, revenge is sweet, man.
What do you think about that, man?
Well, you know what? Who told me to go to the range and dial that scope in? Who
Yeah.
told me the scope was off last year?
That
right?
True Glow rocked him, huh?
Oh, the True Glow. Carlson choke, man.
Winchester ammunition.
Winchester ammo. Oh, yeah.
High velocity Supreme number 6s, baby.
You got it. 3.5. Hello. Daddy. Oh, man.
Look at this thing.
Oh, I'm telling you.
That is a stud, dude.
He took a while to work his way in here.
You know what? I think this is a bird that came from a long distance. Oh, dude,
The
that's
one we
longer
heard-
than 7 inches. That's like 9 inches.
The one we heard real early on.
Yeah. Look at him.
Yeah, I mean,
That's a stud.
that is a
stud.
real beautiful bird.
And you know, I'm a firm believer that when things lighten up, these birds are hot, man. I mean, the rain will quiet them down,
Yeah.
but when they get a break, they got to get on it again. I
Well,
mean,
that was our discussion this morning. You
Yeah.
said that this is going to lighten up, and we're going to go in there. We're going to kill a bird.
and we pounded them.
Yeah, we did. Oh, yeah, we did.
Dude,
Way to go, man.
You rocked it.
Oh.
That is a stellar bird.
You about ready?
I'm ready, dude.
Well, I know one thing. Last year, you called a bird in for me, and I made a bad shot. I was not doing my homework that day. But you know what? I'm going out today
Looks like you snagged it.
with the granddaddy, opening day. Thanks, buddy.
That's it, man. Congrats, dude. Beautiful bird.